Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then to the advanced reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap on erase all data and then erase all data one more time, and after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.